Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you some solutions that I have found for a technical problem. Watch the video, and if it helps you, I would appreciate your support by subscribing to my channel. Thank you. See you later. Bye. Thank you guys for watching the video. If the solution was helpful to you, please subscribe to my channel, and you can comment down below as well. It will help me a lot. See you again later. Bye.